Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be unboxing an Artisan from Inkblot Caps. This Artisan is part of a collaboration with GMK Mictlān. Let's take a look over here at Inkblot's Instagram post about these keycaps. I believe there was 4 keycaps total. 5. It may have actually been 6. I don't know. My memory is only so good as I get older. But the one that I won here was the old scratch, which was $120 for the keycap. So let's take a moment here and get into this envelope. This was filled really fast. I was selected on June 12th for the raffle as a winner, and it arrived today on the 25th. So that's 13 days fulfillment time. That's pretty quick. Okay, I take that back. I won 2 keycaps. I won the blank V3 El Muerto and the Mictlān. And the Mictlān Old Scratch. They were both on the same line item. Okay, so I got 2 keycaps, and they were $120 together. I don't know how much they were individually. I'm assuming they were both $60, since they were just one line item on the invoice. And like I said, my memory isn't what it used to be. But we've got the cards here for it. We got chili pepper powder covered strawberry lollipop. I do believe that this came from outside of the US. I believe that this Artisan designer Inkblot is based in Mexico. I could be wrong about that. If I am, somebody please correct me down below. But let's check these things out. Let's get zoomed in here so we can get a better look. So here is the first one, and here is the second one. So this one here is Old Scratch is the name of this sculpt, I do believe. And if I could get it centered, there we go. And this one here is called blank V3 El Muerto. I'm like trying to do way too much at once here. So get a look at it here in the over the shoulder camera as well. If we can get it to zoom, come on. So these are the 2 Artisans that I picked up. They came out to $125 with shipping. Like I said, lightning fast fulfillment time. They were here in 13 days. And these 2 keycaps get the honor of being my first Artisans to go in my Carolina Mac Artisan trays that were recently finished by Knee Deep. So we'll put them here in this one for display. Let me know if you got a win in these, if you tried for the raffle and didn't get a win. Let me know what other Artisans you guys are looking for out there. I've recently discovered vice caps. I've become pretty fond of those, and have managed to get a W in the last 2 raffles. I've been trying to up my Artisan game, and I would love more information. If you got some information you can share with me, I would love to check it out. Check out some more Artisan makers, because there is so many out there. I'm sure I've only touched the tip of the iceberg on learning about different Artisan makers. So I appreciate you guys checking out this video. This is the first thing I've gotten that is part of a collaboration for GMK Mictlān, because there is a lot of collaborations on that set. I've also got a couple other Artisans coming that are Mictlān related, and I look forward to doing unboxings for those real soon as well. Thanks so much for checking out the video. See you guys next time.